Hello everybody, Paul here. In this session, I'm going to lead us through a simple breathing meditation with a twist. The twist is that through this meditation, I'm going to introduce solutions to many of the most common problems that people experience when they meditate. So, if you sometimes have trouble meditating, I'm really optimistic that this will help you. Let's begin by getting nice and comfortable. I like to perhaps rotate my shoulders a little bit. Make sure my feet are squarely planted on the ground. Perhaps rotate my head a little and close my eyes. Let's begin with one deep breath in through the nose to a count of 4. And pause for 4. Breathe out of the mouth for 4. Pause for 4. And repeat, breathing in through the nose for 4. And pausing for 4. Breathing out of the mouth for 4. Again, pausing and repeating. And here we are simply using box breathing, just counting in cycles of 4. And studies show that counting, especially in repeated numerical patterns, can help us to focus. And so all we are doing is calmly observing the breath flowing through the body, counting in those cycles of 4 to help us focus. And now, at the start of our session, let us set our intention. Repeat in your mind after me. No matter what I might have been doing up to now, no matter what I might be doing later, the only thing that I need to do right now is just sit and breathe and meditate. And so all we're doing is setting our intention, which helps us to harmonize the mind around the one action of meditating. And so I'm going to go through the steps one more time, and then I shall be quiet for a moment to allow you to focus. So we're sitting with good but comfortable posture, our feet squarely planted on the ground. We are breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, counting in cycles of 4. And now I shall be quiet for a short while to allow you to enjoy your breath. And in just a moment, I'm going to introduce perhaps my absolute most favorite tip. But for now, just continue to enjoy the simple experience of observing your breath. Now, let me introduce perhaps my favorite of all tips for people who struggle to focus. You see, many people have the misguided notion that you have to have your eyes open when you meditate. But in Zazen, we actually open our eyes a little bit. Open your eyes approximately 15% of the way. You're opening your eyes such that you don't fully see, but you get that impression of colors, that sort of veiled vision. And so just continue to observe your breath now with your eyes about 15% of the way open. And so we're just sitting, observing the breath, our eyes about 15% of the way open. Now, you will either find this much better or much worse. And in my lessons, for some people, this is an absolute game changer, but some people don't like it at all. So you're just experimenting. Some people find that having the eyes partially open helps them to stay grounded. If that is the case for you, continue to have your eyes a little bit open. Otherwise, feel free to close them again. Now, another great thing to do when you meditate is to remind yourself of exactly what you are doing. And so now we are sitting with good but comfortable posture. Our feet squarely planted on the ground. We are breathing in those cycles of 4, in through the nose and out through the mouth. We are allowing ourselves to enjoy the simplicity of breathing, either with our eyes partially opened or closed. Now, from time to time, your mind will of course wander. That's just the nature of the mind. It's completely fine. But what matters, well, firstly, is that we do guide the mind back to the breath. But the quality in which we do that is very important. I like to imagine that my mind is an old friend who has lost their way. And when my mind wanders, I simply say to my mind, "Here, friend, you have lost your way. Let me gently guide you back to the breath." And it is that quality of just addressing your mind as though it were your dear old friend. Now, once again, let's remember what we're doing. And this is important because often your mind will drift away, and it's good to just reiterate exactly what you are doing in the present moment. And I myself will do this a few times throughout my meditation sessions. So we are sitting with good posture, Our feet squarely planted on the ground, and take a moment to tune in to that sensation of your feet upon the ground. We are breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in cycles of 4. Our eyes are either partially open or closed. We accept when the mind wanders, and when it does, in the manner of an old friend, we gently guide the mind back to the breath. Now, through mindful breathing, we have begun to cultivate a feeling of inner peace, and it is important that we acquaint the mind with that feeling of peacefulness. So what we want to do is just observe how it feels to be a little more peaceful in the mind and the body. Just noticing, what is that like to be a bit more peaceful? And perhaps describing that to yourself. Now, in a moment, we shall open our eyes, but the manner in which we do so is very important. We want to open our eyes gradually, and as we do, we're deliberately choosing to bring with us the feeling of peacefulness and awareness that we have cultivated in our meditation. And so, follow me. 1, we open our eyes a tiny little bit. 2, tune in to that feeling of peaceful awareness, allowing it to come with you. 3, our eyes open a little bit more. 4, again tuning into that peacefulness. And 5, we are back with our eyes open, but our session is not yet done. This is perhaps the most important part. After your meditation, take a moment to observe the quality of your mind and body, almost with a scientific curiosity, just observing how we now feel in the mind and in the body. And that is our simple breathing meditation. And I hope that I've introduced you to some tips and tricks that you can use to make meditation a bit easier when you do struggle. I thank you for joining me for this session, and I would love to lead you in further sessions. If you would like to work with me privately, then please visit thedailymeditation.com. If you have enjoyed this guided meditation session, please will you do me a favor and like it, and also subscribe and leave me a comment. I would love to hear your thoughts on this meditation session, whether I introduce you to any new concepts, and whether the tips that I gave made it easier and perhaps more effective for you to meditate. Thank you. I'll see you next time.